Hey guys, welcome back to Java Collections Framework series. In this video I am going to talk about list iterator. Well, in Java, list iterator is an interface in collection API. It extends iterator interface. So this is the internal source code of list iterator. So look at here, this is the list iterator.class file, and I have decompiled this .class file in Eclipse IDE using decompiler, and I am just want to show you the internal implementation of list iterator. Okay, so basically list iterator we can use to traverse list implementations in forward and backward directions. So we can use list iterator to iterate over both the directions, like forward direction as well as backward directions. But in case of iterator, we can traverse in only unidirectional, that is in a forward direction. So it is not possible to traverse in a backward direction using iterator. Hence the list iterator introduced to support both backward and forward direction. Okay, got it. And we can use list iterator with the list implementation classes like ArrayList, linked list, vector, stack, etc. Well, let's go ahead and let's look into the iterator interface methods as next, and remove, and for each remaining method which is introduced in Java 8. So these methods only support to traverse a list in a forward direction. And list iterator interface extends iterator interface, and it has few more methods which we can use to traverse in a backward direction, like has previous index, etc. So we can use has next, and next index. So these three methods we can use to traverse in a forward direction, and previous, has previous, and previous index. So these three methods we can use to traverse in a backward direction. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's create an example to understand more about list iterator. So I'm going to create a class. Let me call it as list iterator example, and choose public static void main method and hit finish. Get rid of this comment out. Let's go ahead and let's create a list object first. So let's give string as type here, and we are going to create a list of programming languages. Let's say programming languages, and I'm going to use ArrayList class. Let's go ahead and let's add a few programming languages to the list. Let's say Java. Okay, and let's go ahead and let's add a few more programming languages like C, and then C++, and then Python, and then JavaScript. Okay, great. So we have created a list object, and we have added a few elements to the list. Now we're going to use list iterator to traverse the list in forward and backward direction. Now let's go ahead and let's create a list iterator object. Let's say get list iterator. So for that we're gonna use list iterator interface here. Make sure that you import list iterator from java.util package, and let's first type a string, and then this is a list iterator, and then we have programming languages list, and just call list iterator method. So look at here, we have two overloaded list iterator methods. So choose first one, and here what we'll do, we'll first see forward direction iteration. All right, first I'm going to demonstrate forward direction iteration, and then later we'll see backward direction iteration. So here I'm going to use while loop. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to use has next, and next method to do forward direction iteration. And in the while loop I am going to call has next method, so it will check whether a element is there or not. If it is present, then it returns true, and I'm going to get next element in element variable in list iterator and then call next method. Great. And simply print the element to the console using sysout. Go ahead and run the program. Yeah, here we go. In forward direction means first we print Java and then C, C++, Python and then JavaScript. This is in a forward direction, right? Now we'll see how to do backward direction iteration using list iterator. So let me write the sysout here. Backward direction iteration. So we have methods like previous, next and previous. So we can use these two methods to to do backward direction iteration. Alright, so let me show you how to do it. Let's use a while loop again and call the list iterator, and then list iterator has previous method. So if you want to know more about the methods, you can read the Java doc out there like this. Call the has previous method here, and then let's get a next previous element from the list iterator using previous method like this, and let's go and let's print the element to the console. So in case of backward direction, the element should be iterated from the in a reverse order from JavaScript, Python, C++, C and then Java. Let's go and let's run the program, and you will be able to see here. Alright, backward direction iteration, first JavaScript and then Python, C++, C and Java. So this is how we use a list iterator to traverse array list in forward and backward direction. So instead of array list, you can also use linked list, vector, stack, etc. And this is very useful interface to traverse array list in both direction, forward and backward direction. Alright guys, this is all about list iterator interface. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.